Hello everybody, welcome back to Mom's channel. We are still doing the 30 bags in 30 days, and this is day 20, the pantry. But instead, we're doing the garage pantry.
Talk about it, y'all. Hey, y'all. Can we talk about these puzzles? Y'all. The puzzles there?
Puzzles. What are we doing with them?
We're trying to decide if we're keeping them or no.
No, because they will never be done.
Okay, what about math bingo?
Too old.
Okay, that one can go.
I know my multiplication like
What about this one? Because I bought these games.
What are they?
These might be good.
For the swap?
No, look at these number tiles. Okay, I think we're done, y'all. I feel accomplished. What do y'all feel?
Great.
Broken hearted. You be upset.
Yes!
What about this? Mom, look.
And now that you assembled them, I would like them back.
What about this?
The chain. I don't even know what that is.
Okay, put that in the swap. See if somebody would like that as well.
Chain of the ancients. It was cool catfish, man.
Chain of the ancients.
It could be chain of the blood. Chain of red pop. Chain of Chain of death.
Of Jesus. The blood of Jesus. The blood of Jesus. Say it.
I'm gonna need that. Thank you
didn't
very
say it.
much. I said the chain of blood.
Okay, let's go through these makeup things real quick.
Oh, the strawberry cheesecake.
Yeah, that one
That's
too
gross.
is going
Let me
over
just
there.
go
These
away.
are going over there. Oh, this I need in the house. Put that one in the house for me.
Mrs. Atia. Amen Atia. Or is it TX? Something like that.
Okay. Let's go through
But
this.
where's this? Or is it going?
In my room. I always like this color. That's lips, I think. These are all pencils. Let me see.
This is
Hold on, I have
liquid
some more pencils up there. Yeah, that's lips. I got some more pencils up there.
pencils.
These are, see that's brown, that's black.
I have brown and black.
Okay, just bring them over and let's see how many of something we have. black. Mother now. This is brown, this is brown, this is brown, these two are black.
Black here, brown there. Okay. Let's decrease these. I don't think so. I think that was everything. But we're going to decrease everything by half.
So what you mean?
Half of what there is.
So are you going to keep half of it?
Keep half. What about these colors? I'm not so sure. Which of these? Okay, see there's two of those, and two of those. So we'll keep one. And then we'll put 3 to the swap. See what I'm saying? So that's half. This is going because...
You don't like it?
I do.
You want to keep one of these and swap one of these?
Which one do you think?
No, they're both the same.
They're not the same color.
That one.
Okay, because I have one like that. I'll keep that one. I'm going to keep this. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay.
This is my color. I'm going to take that in the house. Okay, what are these?
We'll keep 3. Because you buy your own makeup and stuff like that.
We'll see if anybody wants to check these colors out right there. And then we'll keep this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Just keep 3 and put, yeah, that's fine. We'll keep these. Yep.
Oh, wait, Mom. 2 of those are exactly the same.
Okay.
Yeah, I just do.
Okay.
Are we doing...
We'll take those. Put all of them on the beauty table. Alright. Okay, everybody, we are done in our garage. The kids and I put in a really good hour, maybe 45 minutes. Doesn't matter, however long. It was a good workout for us. So we have gotten all of our barbecue sauces and all of our salad dressings there. We've got a couple empty shelves to grow and then some storage container things here. So we moved our pasta and our shells, condiments. Then we moved over. We have some snacks. The noodles that the kids do like. I'm kind of still up in the air about these things right here because we do use potatoes from time to time. Not very much, and not since I'm going low carb, we don't. So I'm going to think about that for a minute, and I may change my mind, but right now I'm going to keep that. This down here is Nutrisystem that I was gifted in a pinch for lunches. They do help out. Over here is where we have our candy shelves. So I get a lot of comments sometimes about candy and why do I let my kids have it, or why do I give it to other people's kids? So here's the thing, right? Say my niece is having a thing at school and there are 20 kids and every student has to bring something, but her mom does not have the money. I have right here probably 20 bags of these, whatever they are, that I can easily give to my niece. Didn't cost her mom any money, didn't cost me any money because I got all of those free with coupons, and then I have something. Or my kids go to an exchange or something, like they go to game night at Taekwondo. They can take one for each of their friends and share. We also have some of these here. So that's why I keep them there. It's not, you know, so that I can just pass them out to kids. But again, it's something that was a free item that you can always take to somewhere else. I'm a little bit torn about this, right? So I got this. Come hold this for me, one of y'all. We'll have Jackson to hold it. He'll be our holder. So these boxes I got at Dollar General after Christmas. I think I paid 10 cents for them. But I just got them after this Christmas, so I haven't used them yet. Also, these little labels were about 90% off. I probably will keep the labels. I'm not sure about the boxes. I probably need to keep them at least through this next season to see if I use them, and if not, I'll get rid of them. So maybe that's my decision. I'll just keep those right there. We'll try to use them. I mean, they're all really, really pretty patterns on the boxes. Like I said, they were on the 90% off sale, so I might just keep them and see. Okay, so everything you're seeing here, all of these noodles that we usually get for free, a friend of mine is coming to the swap tonight and her husband enjoys these. So I usually get them for him, and I gave him quite a few the last time I saw him, and he said he had plenty. So I'm going to try to send them home with him tonight. Then I got these Cascadian Farm bars. My kids don't like them, so I'm going to see if we can find a home for those. Everything else here, from the chocolate frostings, cake mixes, so doing Weight Watchers, and then the kids and I are doing low carb, and then just trying to watch carbs and consumption. So what we're doing is we're letting all of this go. Partially there are some date issues as well, so I'm not going to feel bad about letting these things go, because normally what I buy now is the sugar free if I buy for desserts anyway. So all of this is going to go. And then you should have saw where the kids and I did the makeup. We took half of the makeups to the swap tonight, and then we kept half for myself. So that's what we did with that. So there it is, you guys. Day number 20 is in the books. 30 bags in 30 days. We are doing this challenge with Sophia. We are also hosting our swap tonight, our home goods swap. It is going to be an amazing time of friends and fellowship and just a good time. I encourage any of you, if you've been decluttering your space and you've kind of, you haven't gone to the Goodwill or the Salvation or your donation station yet, call over a couple friends. Make it impromptu. Don't give them time to say no. Just say, hey, you guys, meet at my house on Saturday and bring a few things. We're going to swap. And people don't know they need stuff, and they'll have a good time. And even if you still end up with most of the things, what did you lose? You can still donate them. You gained a few hours with family and friends, and it worked out for everybody's good, especially if somebody could take something home. So 30 bags, 30 days is working out for our lives. Thank you, Sophia, for sponsoring this challenge. You never think you have as much stuff as you do until you start going through it, and we have a lot of stuff in this house. So if you haven't checked out Sophia's channel, head over to her channel. I saw her video this morning. She did an excellent job. Sophia's a rock star, you guys. She started off, decisions were really hard for her when I first started watching her a couple of years ago. Today, she made those choices, and this whole series, she's kind of made those choices so quick. And she's brought us along as she's gone through that process, and I appreciate that. Also, look down in the description box. I'm going to put the playlist or link the playlist to the other awesome YouTubers that are doing the challenge as well. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. If you've come over from any of the other channels, hey y'all, how y'all doing? We're glad to have you. And yeah, so we're going to go and get prepped. I'm going to go grab a shower and then start my preparation for what I'm planning to cook tonight. And that is going to be that. So the kids and I are glad you stopped by to watch us do day number 20, but we are complete. So until the next 30 bags in 30 days, bye now.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Mom's channel. I would say my channel, but it's not my channel. Anyways, it's day 20 and we're doing the pantry. Hello everybody, welcome back to Mom's channel. I would say my channel, but it's not mine. So this is day 20 of the 30 bags in 30 days. The pantry, but we're doing the garage pantry. Hello everybody, welcome back to Mom.